YouTube dashboard doesn't open on your phone, do this right now. Stop scrolling if your YouTube dashboard doesn't open on your phone. You are doing it wrong. You know what? This almost made me give up, but I found a very simple fix for it. I was trying to open my YouTube dashboard, but it could all the time redirect me back to YouTube Studio. Nothing was working, no setting, no analytics. I just got stuck. They just say use the app, but what if you need the full dashboard itself? Let me show you exactly what to do. So my dear, this style helped me manage my channel without laptop, without any computer in front of me, only my phone, especially when I'm uploading and when I'm checking my analytics. Okay, step one, you come to setting. Then after coming to setting, you come to app management. After coming to app management, you come to app list. The app lists are here. You check your app list. You make sure you go to YouTube. You look for where it is YouTube app. You come down. Yes, here it is. You tap on it. Then what you do is after when you see it here, you come to open by default. You come to open by default. Open by default. You should go to your Chrome. This is the Chrome, you can see. Then from here you should come to your right hand side. You click on the three dots. You click on the three dots. After clicking on the three dots, what you should do is you come to settings. Then after coming to settings, you come again to privacy and security. Then when you come to privacy and security, what you do is delete browsing data. You delete the browsing data. You come, then you can see here. First of all, you should the cached image and files, cookies and site data. You delete all this. Then after deleting it, yeah, now you are free to go into the Chrome. So, if this really worked for you, comment fixed below. Like this video and subscribe. Yes, I'll be sharing you more simple tricks to grow your channel.